Hey guys, and welcome back for another hair video. I just wanted to check in with you and clarify on a question that pops up quite regularly here in the comments on my YouTube channel and also every now and then in the Facebook group. And that question is, how long does it actually take to grow a man bun? Burning question, right? Well, the truthful and honest answer to this is you really need to be prepared to spend at least 9 months to a year and a half growing one out, okay? Putting an exact time frame on how long it takes to grow a man bun is like asking how long a piece of string is. It all depends on the piece of string that you're measuring, right? The same goes with hair growth, and depending on the person will depend on how long it takes because everybody has different genetics, okay? Personally, I feel like I'm quite lucky. My hair grows relatively fast, and on average during my hair growth process, I was clocking in at about an inch of new hair every single month. So around the 9-month mark, I was just able to fit all of the hair from the sides of my disconnected undercut into a full man bun. But I also tested and trialed a heap of shit during that process to help expedite it. And the only thing that I had remotely any luck with was using a hair growth shampoo from Waterman's, as most of you will probably know or be familiar with that product from the hair check-ins that I used to do. But yeah, the month that I spent testing that shampoo, I actually got an inch and a half of growth, which I was stoked with. But even then, just because it worked really well for me, doesn't mean it's going to work well for absolutely everyone, you know? I've had people message me privately and comment publicly on all of my other social media channels that they got great results with it, and some people say the exact opposite. So just to reiterate, there is no cemented time frame that you can expect for this. All you can really do is search the internet for different things to test out during your journey and one by one go through them. You've literally got so long to try so many different things, it's ridiculous. And especially with what's going on in the world right now, I'm not even going to say the name, there seems to be no better time than to give this a go, right? So overall, buckle in and prepare to spend at least 9 months to a year and a half on this journey. And if you really want to follow through with the process, do yourself a favor and join an online community like the Man Buns and Mains group, featured in the background. We've got over 4,000 guys in there currently growing their hair out, and there's so much advice and positive energy going around in there. It's bloody crazy, okay? So you'll definitely be inspired, and it's literally one of my favorite places to go and hang out on the internet now, particularly for long hair inspo and just to stay up to date with all of my subscribers and, you know, keep a tight-knit group. If you do want to join the group, it's only one click away down in the description box. The link will take you straight to the Man Buns and Mains website, and from there, all you need to do is follow the prompts and you'll be able to access the group, okay? I hope you got some value from this video and you got inspired to keep growing your man bun. Trust me, once you stick it out and get through that journey, you are going to love it, and I can't wait to see you in the Facebook group, okay? Best of luck with your journey, and I'll see you next week for another video. Goodbye!